Hey everybody! So here is the schedule for the summer. What I've done is in our rhetorical arts shell, you can scroll down and the first thing that you're going to see here is the summer 2019 makeup class. And if you click on that, it's going to give you also these sub modules underneath it, and you will see that each sub module has the same name here as it will up here in the what to do. So let's click on the what to do really quickly, and we'll just go through and hopefully this makes sense to you. So I've laid it out by date. So starting next week, informative speaking and organization, you'll read the entire module that I just showed you, and then you'll complete and email me your informative speech thesis. I've created links where you'll be completing assignments inside of Canvas in order to help you out, but otherwise it's pretty simplistic and laid out, just so that you know your informative speech video and outline will be due July 14th. So you have about 5 weeks or so to do that. You will be recording this in front of about 5 other people if you can find them. Start your video by showing the people in the room, and then you just record yourself. And then for visual aids, you can read that. It's pretty self-explanatory. But after that, we will be beginning persuasion. So go in and read that. Read the module there, and then your persuasive thesis will be due here. And then here also, I'd like you to turn in a persuasive skeleton assignment, and then your logos assignment, which is you can do right in there. And then what I want you to note is that for the last 2 modules, persuasive speaking and organization, this deals with the problems, and then the second one deals with the causes and solutions. And what I've noticed is that students do best when they really read all of this together. So if you wanted to read it all together before you even did the problems main point, it may help you out a bit. So if I go back over here into the home page where you can start to see all the different modules. So the what to do is at the top, but down here below is this text for extra guidance. This is a public speaking text. It's a virtual text. It's free. We use it for audience analysis in our class, I believe, but otherwise you can use it to supplement any of the topics that you will see below. So here's the informative speaking and organization, like I said. The arrangement of the speech, class video, writing the thesis, and then we have outlining and support. So this would be supporting materials with MLA format. Then you'll have a little bit of information about outlining, an example, and then for here, it's my own personal outlining video. And then here's your introductions and conclusions, your transition words and phrases, and then your informative main point outline assignment. So ignore all these dates. They're the old ones, but you can simply put them up in the space still because they are open. And then here's your ethos, pathos, logos, or sorry, ethos and pathos. That's all you're doing for the week. Persuasion, then we start going into persuasion after the informative speech. So this is the information about that, the reading and methods of persuasion, understanding that we will only do a proposition of policy in this class. Here's the details, and then how to write your thesis again. And then here is the idea of logos with your logos assignment and a skeleton assignment. Those are the 2 things that are due that week. And then here is your main point guidance. So I was talking to you about the, what's it called? Go back. Let's go back up here and the what to do real quick. Okay, so you saw that there was that logos, organizing, persuasive, logos activity, and then the skeleton. But then the organization one and the main point guidance, that's all just right here. It's that email. Simply keep a note on your due dates that each Friday I have you turning in something. And then the last thing is just to let me know when you want to come into the fall class. It's Tuesdays and Thursdays from 1 to 2:30 or 3 to 4:10, and you can deliver your persuasive speech there. So keep that in mind, but I'd prefer that you do it sometime within like that first like couple weeks of school, just so that we can be done with it. All right, y'all. I hope that this is going to help you a bit, and I am, of course, available via email.